Introducing 2 BHK apartment in Oshiwara. This is the sample apartment of a 2 BHK. In this starting you will get your kitchen space, the spacious one, 70 square feet ka kitchen milta hai. And over here you will get your living and a dining space. You will get common washroom, common bedroom and a master washroom and your master bedroom as well. You can check this common washroom. Let's enter into common bedroom. This is your common bedroom. You will get this wardrobe space over here. You can see the size, it is huge. Let's check a master bedroom. The size of the master bedroom is almost 110 square feet. You can see this space. You will get your wardrobe space over here, and there is the master washroom. You can check the size of the master washroom. Do check it out, this project. The carpet area is 600 and the asking price of this carpet area is 133 plus taxes. And the possession timeline is December 25.